A woman. They must not know about our thing.
It is binding. It is not forgiving. To betray one is to betray all. Do you wish to commit yourself, your life, to this family?
Yes. I do.
Then, before the eyes of all here present, join me. To become a man of honor, repeat these words. I swear my loyalty to this family.
I swear my loyalty to this family.
My flesh must burn like this saint if I do not keep my oath.
My flesh must burn like this saint if I do not keep my oath.
Welcome, Enzo.
Benvenuto, Enzo.
Benvenuto, Enzo.
Benvenuto.
Salute.
Salute.
Used to grin from ear to ear, like some imbecile. Well, he wasn't smiling when Tino pulled the Lupara. It was like he saw the devil himself.
Part of the family now, eh? You know, when we found you in that bar, you were skin and bones. Even then, I saw a fire in you. From now on, we've got to be even smarter. Our thing is your life now. Done well, Enzo. I'm proud of you.
Grazie, Luca.
Could be a long night. When they did this for me, we went through 3 crates. That is enough for me.
Come on, old man. We'll head into town.
When you have a wife, children, you will understand.
You think any woman would have him?
If he's lucky, he'll meet a girl who is deaf, dumb, and blind.
Ah, forget about him.
I think Valentina keeps his balls in a little bag by the bed.
You going to drink that?
What? Oh, no. Go ahead.
Oh, be careful.
Enzo, lose the face, will you? It's a celebration.
Let's get some more drinks.
We should take the music with us.
If it drowns you out, sure.
Stronzo.
You fetch that for me, Leone.
You have a place in mind?
Oh, I think so. Just wait and see.
He knows what I'm talking about.
Oh, I know. You know I know.
Ha! You're a hound, Leone. A fucking hound.
So, San Celeste?
I will take a car.
You're in no state to drive.
Ah, who said anything about me driving? Crank that car for us, will you? Come on, let's get going. I need another drink. I need a woman.
All right, all right. Where to again?
You forgot already? San Celeste! And don't spare the horses!
So, you're in, mine boy. How does it feel?
Good. Really good.
Damn right it's good. Now, you can do whatever the fuck you want.
Sit down, idiota!
Hey! Keep those dainty hands to yourself. Hey, show some respect. I'll be boss of this crew one day.
If things ever get that bad, I'm moving to Palermo.
Stop the car!
What? What's the problem?
I need to piss.
Jesutsu! Didn't your uncle tell you to go before you left the house?
Ah, fuck you, and wait.
What are you doing?
What?
Can't you just go behind the bush like everyone else?
I'm not everyone else. And neither are you. So don't act like them. Ah, this is ours, boys. The whole valley. All you can see.
All I see is an idiot, pissing in the wind. Come on, get in the car.
Ah, you two need to think bigger. Fuck them. Our thing is our thing. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Whatever you say, Don Cesare. Let's go. You sound like you need another drink. Get in before he decides to drive.
Let's get moving. I'm thirsty. Andiamo! Ay, ay, ay. Enzo, the time will come when it'll be just me and you. Good friend. Loyal. A man of honor. My right hand.
Hey, what about me?
You. You can be my butler. Hey, what? Hey!
Wine! Give me wine, give me wine, give me wine!
Wine!
Around the beauties.
Beauty's okay!
Wine! Give me vino, andiamo for vino and all the lovely boobies.
I like boobies, huh?
Damage my fucking ears. Give me wine and a lovely principessa.
Principessa!
Vino, San Rosso e Blanco e vino e sette il cuore, contessa.
E mi tu, contessa! E saluto, Enzo!
Oh, coglione! Stop it! Celeste, San Celeste, San Celeste, San Celeste! Put your foot on it, Enzo!
Per dirli nera, amici!
Here, on the left, pull in. We don't need the music no more.
Ah, we're here!
Hey, quiet.
You're going to love it!
Where have you been, stranger?
Rosaria, principessa! Stop business. A man like me has responsibilities.
Oh.
I could do with some air.
Plenty of air inside. You know what to do, right?
It's not that. There's a girl.
Weren't you listening back there? Code of silence.
What the fuck is this? Where were you? Peeping through the window like some guardone. You don't live in a hole anymore, Enzo. You're part of the Torrisi family now. Act like it. Now, move over. Got something to show you.
You sure you can drive?
I drive better than you blindfolded. Besides, a good woman sobers a man up.
You were drinking like a fish in there.
Enough. Come on. I have another surprise.
Oh! Eyes on the road!
Calma. We're fine. Minchia, not down here.
You know where you're going?
I'm driving, not you. Just got to turn it around here.
I don't want to die today, Cesare.
Here we are.
Yeah, finally.
Come on. Pasquale said he'd meet us here with the keys.
No idea.
Don't seem the type.
You boys look like you had a big night.
You could say that.
I appreciate the invite.
You know how it is. Family only.
Sure. Not like I don't do enough for you all. Well, I left the keys inside. On the table.
Should be grateful we do business with him at all.
What is this?
A man of honor can't still be sleeping in a pig pen, can he?
Cesare, you fixed this for me?
Hey, don't thank me yet. Let me show you inside. Not bad, eh? And the whorehouse, so close.
You couldn't have tidied up first?
So, he needs a clean, so what? Go ahead, Enzo. Take a look around.
There's someone's clothes in here.
For you, if they fit. If not, throw them out.
There's a letter here. Addressed to Carmelo.
I'll see that he gets it.
There's still food out here.
These people left. In the mid...
What happened here? Is this blood?
Probably ragu. It's nothing. You haven't seen everything yet. Let me show you the bedroom. Look, a proper bed. And now you won't have to sleep with the fucking pigs anymore.
No, you can leave that to Cesare.
Hey!
All right, we did the tour, Enzo. I'm heading back. Get some rest.
So, what do you think?
Don't know what to say. It's great.
Well, you're welcome. When I met you, I thought shoveling shit was all you amount to.
Right.
No, I mean, you've done good. My uncle, me, we're lucky to have you around. And when it's my time, I won't forget that. It's going to be just you and me one day, like I said. Remember?
You should go take a bath or something.
Drones. I'll let you sleep. See you later.
Out of the mine now, amigo.
Look at this place. The backwater of a fucking backwater. You sure this is it?
I'm sure. Follow the river all the way down. Just like they said.
I can smell it already. Hey, Enzo, let's turn around, huh? I'm gonna be sick if I go down there.
Not a chance. I told you to take it easy last night, huh? And I'm not getting on your uncle's bad side with the mood he's in lately.
He's been like that since Spadaro bought Ludovici's share of the mine.
What does he care about that?
Spadaro gaining power and money upsets the balance. Makes it harder to keep them in check. And my uncle never saw it come. Hey, that's Don Galante's car. Why is he risking his Venetian loafers way out here?
Gentlemen, fashionably late, as always. Guessing that's not your doing, Enzo.
I don't need you breaking my balls today.
You're right. I'll leave that to your uncle. You're the last ones here.
You know what's going on, Leo?
I have some idea.
And?
Just wait.
Hey, Angelo. You want to let us know what's going on?
If you got here on time, you'd know already.
Hey,
Oh, looks like every buffo in the valley got an invite.
So, what are we doing here?
Since Spadaro took over that mine, he's been busy. Turning guardia, leaning on the unions, buying votes. Nibbling away like a rat. This cannot be left unanswered.
Tensions are building. It's true. But war must be avoided at all costs. Which brings us to a plan. Something between our two families, huh? Something for our future. It's taking preparation and a lot of bona fortuna, but now it's coming to fruition. Every week, ships arrive from America, huh? Every week, they go back. That is a direct line to Empire Bay, which we have yet to take advantage of. If we do, we can match Spadaro, and have the strength to match him lira per lira.
Or bullet for bullet.
we already export wine to the mainland. Why not America?
Good question. But our friends in the New World have, well, particular tastes. This way. Venite, hm?
What is this?
A government currency press. Officially, it was destroyed during the unrest in the East African colony, but unlike the governor, this made it out.
You want to print cash? For the Americans?
When opportunities arise, you seize them.
There's too many eyes and police over there in America. An operation like this would be shut down before it even started. No. Our dollars will come from outside. Controlled shipments, no suspicion. And in return, the American market opens up to us.
Maybe they can't trace them to a local outfit. But would they be good enough?
We have enlisted the finest counterfeiter in all of Italy to engrave our printing plates, eh?
A Sicilian. But he's been all over. His work has never been detected.
His ship came in from Napoli, but he got into an altercation in Porta Amaro. Our man in San Celeste town hall tells me he's being held there by the Guardia. We need to free him before those idioti work out who they really have. Huh?
Leone, you know the particulars. Take these two and get it done.
All right, let's go.
They expect us to break this forger out of the Guardi station. Just like that.
We can't leave him there. If they figure out who he is, this whole plan is finished. We have to improvise.
Improvise our way through a building full of fucking police?
It's risky, Leo. Too risky. We've got to find another forger.
You want to tell your uncle that? It took months to get this man to Sicily. He's wanted in every city in the country.
So what's the plan, Leo? What are these particulars?
Our man at the town hall is the key. He'll know exactly where the forger's being held. He's waiting for us in the main square in San Celeste. You're going to meet him, Enzo.
I'll go. Enzo doesn't know the Maledenti.
The Guardie know you. Nobody knows Enzo. He goes.
This forger, he got a name?
Giuseppe Palminteri. Supposed to be the best.
Not the best at staying out of jail.
He got unlucky. Can happen to anybody. You know that.
Fine, I'll go. What's our man called?
We don't know, and we won't ask. It's better that way.
How do we know who he is?
The Maledenti.
What?
Don't you know anything? He's going to wish we left him in jail when he sees that place. Why did they choose it? That stench.
Isn't it obvious?
Would I ask if it was obvious? Answer me straight for once.
It's because it stinks. No one goes there if they don't have to. No bandits, no guardie, nobody. It's perfect.
Yeah, a real pezzo di paradiso.
So, come on. What's this Maldidenti?
It's a kind of greeting. It's simple. You walk up and you point to your teeth.
You point to your incisors.
What the fuck are incisors?
Were you this stupid when we met? They're teeth.
I already said teeth. So you point to your teeth and you say, oh, this tooth is killing me. And he'll point to his and say,
this tooth is killing me too.
And that's it. Got it?
Got it. But why?
If you know the Maldidenti, you're one of us.
And if you don't, you're just another Stones.
We've got all kinds of things like this, from way back.
It's one of the old ways, but it works. Lets you know you're dealing with the right people.
All right, but I can't do that to everybody in the square like some pazzi.
You don't need to. Our contact will be wearing a red waistcoat.
The circus in town or something.
It's distinctive, which is good for us. You won't be able to miss it.
So I get the information about the forger. Then what?
Then we work out our next move.
This has straight to jail written all over it.
I can handle the Guardia of San Celeste.
Don't get complacent. Their new chief's a crusader. Cleared out a lot of dead wood. He's no fool.
This keeps getting better.
Hey, you see that new sign for the Targa? In the square?
The motor race.
Yeah, it's going to be big. I read that there are teams from France, even America.
I don't believe that.
Prize money like that brings a lot of interest.
No, I don't believe you can read.
Minchione.
This is you, Enzo.
Remember, our contact is wearing a red waistcoat.
And my tooth is killing me. I got it.
Don't get caught.
Magdalena! What brings you here, my darling? Be more careful.
Isabella.
Look who I bumped into. Enzo. Quite a coincidence. I'm sure you have things to be doing. Come, Isabella.
All right. Looking for a man in a red waistcoat.
Your father doesn't care. Everybody else loves it. You love it. And not just me, Valentina.
Arancini!
We sold out by not in.
Fresh
So we can
Marco
look. We can look.
Scusassi, ladies.
Enzo, it's nice to see you, but we have errands to run.
Latest on the strange death of Girolamo Ludovici. Authorities still won't speak.
Ah, I have such a pain in this tooth.
Huh? Oh, mine too. Mine? It's killing me.
Which tooth?
Why? My teeth are... Well, they're none of your business.
Oh, calm down.
Don't want to... Don't tell me what to do.
Definitely not the man I'm looking for.
Hey, Antonio.
Afternoon.
Captain says there was a mistake. Can't be used.
I apologize.
Just get a new one written. And have it on my desk by tomorrow morning.
Ah, this tooth is killing me.
This tooth is killing me too.
The man I've been looking for. You can help me find someone. In the Guardia station.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
So? What do you know? This is important to Don Torrisi.
Come with me.
I think that's almost all of it. Now, what did you say you need?
A new hairpin. I broke my favorite one.
Ciao, Antonio. I didn't know you were working today.
Me neither. I should be at home. Ah, but do I get any thanks?
Ha! Not in this life.
It's just the first step, Captain.
Wait! Over there. That's the captain. Careful around him. He's not like the rest of them.
Why am I still finding seized evidence? Was I not...
Follow my lead when we get inside.
Of course.
Half these idiots can't read, the other half don't care. Why don't you bring it on to my office today, Captain?
I'll try to find a ledger for you, signore. But it might take a while. We're in something of a mess.
Right. Yes, the ledger.
I don't know anything about that. Would you please take a Calm down, calm down. We can talk about this, can't we? We can be reasonable.
There's nothing to talk about. I've made my decision.
I'll get right on it.
They're keeping the prisoners down there, in the old cellar.
Our man is in there.
He was this morning.
Guards?
Inside, too. Outside,
What about at night?
well, must be fewer than now. You should go now, before we're noticed.
Come on! I didn't do anything!
Chief said to close the Ludovici file.
What? Already?
Already? Don't you think we've wasted enough time on it? We have nothing. It's cold.
So we give up? A man is dead.
Is he talking yet?
Still denies everything. Can't keep him in much longer. After Grimaldi withdrew his statement.
I bet that was the work of his brother. There must be something we can do.
Enzo, can we talk?
Where's Valentina?
She should be a little while. I've asked her to find me a new hairpin. Useful little things, but mine have a habit of breaking. I've missed you. We've hardly seen each other since you left the vineyard.
I know. I've tried to get away from the others, but I've been busy with work.
So busy you haven't even invited me to your apartment yet. Your own place. You must be doing something right.
I told you I would make a good impression on your father. Maybe soon we won't have to hide.
It would be nice to believe that. For now, I'd settle for an invite.
I want you to see it. If I ever get some time alone, but...
You keep me waiting like this, and I'll have to take matters into my own hands. We better go. Your friends are waiting for you. See you later, Enzo.
Think he did it right. Demanded empty. Hopefully went Enzo. How did it go?
You my boss now?
Yeah, one day. You better watch that lip.
So, we're going to go over this again, so there are no fuck-ups.
As if there would be.
Hey, there's 6 months' work on the line here. You want to end up in jail? On the wrong side of your uncle?
All right. Let's hear it.
Me and my guys have a distraction all lined up. It'll draw D'Amico and plenty of Guardier out of there.
How do you know it's going to work?
Because I take things seriously. You won't miss it. Trust me. Once they leave, Enzo goes in, gets our man out. Do it quietly. We don't need complications.
Yeah, right.
I'll be waiting with the car. Cesare, you keep an eye on him from outside. Any danger, you raise the alarm. Things take a turn. Do what you have to do.
The fuck is this?
What did I say? Enough fooling around.
Alright.
You fucked half this town and conned most of the others. You can't be seen. And unless Enzo wants a 20-year trip to Ucciadorne, neither can he.
We won't be. But be careful.
Be smart. Will you?
Come on. Better look over the exits again.
Guardi! The Messina gang! They struck again! The Messina gang! Presto!
This must be it.
Let's go.
Good luck, Enzo.
dog is great this time. Guess he's getting desperate.
Perhaps.
Peter, what are you doing out here? What the hell was all that noise?
Bandit attack. He's saying it's missing.
Thank you. That old fox has balls, I'll give him that.
You'll need them. The chief is spoiling for a fight. Took half the men.
How many times have you been sent here?
To Sicily? 3. Once in Palermo, twice here. And relax. You're making me nervous.
Sorry. Sorry.
Nobody is going to attack us. Certainly not some damn bandits.
Have you faced any bandits?
You're not walking away from this.
That took care of most of them.
All right. Good luck, Enzo.
Messina's dog is great this time. Huh? Messina's dog is great this time.
What are you doing out here? What the hell was all that noise?
Yes, bandit attack. They're saying it's Messina.
Thank you. That old fox has balls, I'll give him that.
You'll need them. Chief is spoiling for a fight.
How many times have you been sent here?
To Sicily? 3. Once in Palermo, twice here. And relax. You're making me nervous.
Sorry.
Nobody is going to attack us. Certainly not some damn bandits.
Have you faced any bandits?
A long time ago. And a long way from here, so no need to be so twitchy.
I'm just keeping an eye on the compound.
You don't need to act tough with me. I was as nervous as you when I first got us out of this shithole.
I see him! Get over!
You're not walking away from this.
That took care of most of them.
All right. Good luck, Enzo.
Messina's dog is great this time. Messina's dog is great this time.
Back so close.
Guess he's getting desperate.
Perhaps.
How many times have you been sent here?
To Sicily? 3. Once in Palermo, twice here. And relax. You're making me nervous.
Sorry.
Nobody is going to attack us. Certainly not some damn bandits.
Have you faced them? Huh?
Was worth. Have you faced any bandits? I'm just keeping an eye on the compound.
You don't need to act tough with me. I was as nervous as you when I first got assigned to this shithole.
Minchia! He's down.
It's Ridolfo!
He's here!
That took care of most of them.
All right. Good luck, Enzo.
Seen as dark as gray this time. What?
How many times have you been in Cynthia?
To Sicily? 3. Once in Palermo, twice here. And relax, you're making me nervous.
Sorry. Sorry.
Nobody is going to attack us. Certainly not some damn bandits.
Have you faced any?
Huh?
Have you faced any bandits? I mean?
A long time ago. And a long way from here. No need to be so twitchy.
I'm just keeping an eye on the compound.
You don't need to act tough with me. I was as nervous as you when I first got assigned to this shithole. Huh?
D'Amico won't let you near the trucks again once he hears about your little accident.
Good thing he won't hear about it then, will he? Jirachi will fix it before he gets back.
Better hope Messina puts up a fight then. So, what's your take on the guy with the plates? Think someone's printing here? In the valley?
If you ask me, we were just a stop on his way to somewhere bigger. Didn't expect to be checked. Shows confidence. He's a professional, all right. Always worth checking.
Figuerosa, get the captain down here.
Shut up!
Don't you know who I am?
I said shut up! Giuseppe,
Over here.
let's get you out of there.
Grazie. Let's go. You have my plates?
Plates?
Printing plates for the press?
Nobody told me about any plates.
In my bag, taken when I was arrested.
Let me out too, boy.
You look fine, right where you are.
Huh. I know you. Feels like you know me.
Leave him. Let's get out of here now.
I'll be out soon enough. Maybe I'll come pay you and Giuseppe.
Minchia. I'll get your plates. We can't risk you. Stay here until I get back. Understood?
As you wish. Good luck.
Seems useful.
You look like you're still half asleep, Davino. Sharpen up or you'll be sorry.
Si, caporale.
I don't care how you did things in Sardinia. In this unit, you will toe the line or you will deal with me. Do I make myself clear?
Si, caporale.
Present yourself to me after watch with a clean weapon and a better attitude, or your night will get a lot worse. I promise you that.
Si, caporale.
I'll take this.
Check the captain's office! How did they get inside?
Force him out!
I'm reloading!
There's an intruder! Search everywhere!
You'll never get out of here!
Need to reload! Time to move, Ashena! Secure the jail!
So much for doing this quietly! My uncle wants to kill us!
Not if we're behind bars, he won't.
He'll find a way. Trust me.
Hey! Don't move!
Please don't shoot!
Move him out of the way!
We need to get this done.
Cristo! What took you so long?
Merda! There's more of them!
What are you doing?
They're still out there! They just don't stop!
It's almost like it's their job.
Don't let them get away!
Explosives! Get back!
Giuseppe, we need to move.
Did you get my
Yes, come on. Get to the car. Go, get out of here.
Stop! Turn around. Slowly. You made a grave mistake here, boy.
Shut your mouth, and I'll make... No!
I'll get that mask off. Then I'll have all I needed to know.
Need to get to it first.
Too easy.
Hey, you have them. Then let's get out of here.